Hi, my name is Hitesh. I am a backend engineer in GitLab. This is a demonstration of a compliance pipeline. For this demo, firstly we need to create a group license with GitLab Ultimate License. Once that is done, create a project in the group and configure it with a pipeline. Now, create a compliance framework for the group and configure it with the pipeline created in previous step. Create a new project and add the framework created in step 2 to it. Now the new project will be configured with the compliance pipeline, configured with the framework. Let's start with the demo of the same. We have a group, Ultimate group, which has a Ultimate GitLab license. Now let's create a project, pipeline project. We will be configuring a pipeline in this project. Let's go and check if there is any pipeline present in it. There is none, as you can see. Let's configure the runners for running the pipelines. Go to the CI/CD settings, open the runners. As you can see, it has the shared runners for this project. Now let's go to pipeline editor. We are going to use the default generated pipeline configuration. Just going to change some values for speeding up the demo process. After creating and committing this will create a GitLab pipeline configuration file and commit to the project. Since the project has a configuration file and runners configured, it will initiate a pipeline. As you can see, the file is present that we created with the help of the editor. Now a pipeline would have started. The pipeline is running. There are multiple stages for this which were configured in the configuration file. Let's go to the group. Now we are going to create the compliance framework. Go to general settings, go to compliance framework, add a framework, add all the details, and for the compliance pipeline configuration, we'll refer to the pipeline config that we created in the pipeline project. Now we have done it. We are going to refer to the gitlab-ci.yml at the rate the full path of the project which you can get from the URL of the project. Now the compliance framework is created. Go to group. Now we are going to create another project, compliant project. In this project we are going to add this framework that we created which have the pipeline configured in itself. As you can see, there is no pipeline in that. Let's create a new file. Basically we are adding a new commit to this repository to check if any pipeline gets triggered or not. After committing the changes to the main branch, go to this pipeline to check if there is any pipeline started or not. There is none. Now we'll configure the compliance framework that we created to this project. Choose the framework that we created, save changes. Now we will again create a new file in this project to check if any pipeline will get triggered or not. There is no pipeline added still. Let's go to repository, add a new file. We are going to commit in the main branch. Now the pipeline will get started. This happened because we had configured the compliance framework which was configured with a pipeline in this project, and if you'll see, the pipeline is the same as the pipeline that was created in pipeline project because the pipeline of compliance framework was taken for that. This concludes our demo for the compliance pipeline. Thank you for watching.